Advanced. Oh, no. I told you, my eyesight is really, really bad. Yeah. Hey everybody, CRMediaGal here. Welcome back to my channel. I apologize first and foremost for how I'm looking at the moment. I just got off of a 12-hour shift, so I'm not looking my best. Also, the lighting is probably going to shift around a bit. It's 6:30. Hopefully it won't be too distracting for you guys. Came home to find that this somewhat beat up GeekGear box had arrived, so I basically dropped everything to film this video. But yeah, it's been such a long day, so I'm really looking forward to getting into this. As you can see, my box did not really come in the best shape, so we'll roll with it. I'm hoping everything in there is okay and not damaged. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is CRMediaGal, also known as Andrea in the fandom and fanfiction world. I do a lot of Harry Potter unboxings at the moment, so if that interests you at all, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. It supports my channel. But yeah, I don't want to waste any time. I'm really excited, so let's get right into this. All right, here we go. Give you guys the first sneak peek. And mine is green, obviously, because I am a Slytherin. So you get to choose your house. I haven't been spoiled by anything that's actually in here. I haven't watched any other unboxings, so I have no idea what's in this month's box. And of course, as usual, all opinions will be my own. Ooh, okay, we'll start with a GeekGear Wizardry enamel pen exclusive. Oh, that's really, really cute. It looks like it's a couple Harry Potter books and plus a wand and a Slytherin scarf. So you've got potions, defense. I can't read the really small red one. Maybe you guys can. And then what's the last one? Magical creatures. That's one of the cuter pins of theirs that I've seen and that I now have in my collection. So this is off to a good start. Okay, next, I'm not sure what this is. Okay, looks like it's licensed merch. Oh, it's a Harry Potter bracelet set. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to open this because it's taped. Almost took off a nail. First off, you got a black bracelet with Slytherin engraved in silver and then a little snake. Then you've got a green beaded one with the same two slogans. The idea is that you wear them all together. And then lastly, you got this one here that has a green little gem in it. Oh wait, I missed one. And then you also get this, has like little metal pieces on it. Sorry, I'm terrible at describing things if you couldn't tell. So those are cute. I mean, I'm not sure how much of this I'll actually wear, but I mean, it's cute. It's cute. It's a nice little touch. So I'm assuming based on whatever your house is, you would get those house colors with Hufflepuff or the Ravenclaw or the Gryffindor. Okay, next. Oh my gosh, it looks like we got two wearables this time. Usually you get one wearable. So let's do a t-shirt next. I'll give you guys the first sneak peek. Magic spells, wizards, witches, wands, potions. With a skull there and a lightning bolt. Trademark. I guess that must be the t-shirt makers. Then you've got two wands crisscrossing with some skeletons. It's interesting. It doesn't scream Harry Potter, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about this one. I mean, because obviously this is for August's unboxing. This would make more sense maybe if it was like for October, for like Halloween maybe, but I'm not really sure about that one. Let's go for another wearable here. Let's count another t-shirt. Give you guys the first sneak peek there. Oh, okay, this was last month's hint for the next box. So this is the Three Brothers. I do like this one a lot. I think that's really pretty. I love the gold against the gray. That's really pretty. It feels very soft too. But yeah, very cute. Looks like we got a couple more recipes. You always get some recipes in each month's box. So this month we got sherbet lemon. I know I keep saying it, but I really should try to do like a baking or a cooking video based off of these. Comment down below and let me know if that's something that would interest you at all. I'm not much of a baker or a cooker, so cook. Okay, yeah. So that could be really fun and entertaining because they would all probably come out horribly, but might be worth a shot. And then, oh, this one, Petunia's pudding. That actually looks really yummy. I always think that when I watch Chamber of Secrets, I'm like, oh my gosh, I actually really want to taste that. Looks like we got another GeekGear exclusive. We got Wizardry socks. Got a lot of wearables in this one. I'm really surprised. So I like that they're kind of giving you more options. Like now we're getting socks too. I'm assuming these might be all the same for everybody because they're obviously not house colored. So we got some red socks here. They feel really soft. And in yellow you've got like an owl's cage, the step, Patronus, the glasses, the lightning bolt. You got the dark mark. Yeah, those are really cute. Those will be nice for the fall and winter. Those feel really, really, really nice. Good quality. And then lastly, you're always guaranteed some kind of a print. It looks like we got a Chocolate Frogs Honeydukes poster. I like that a lot. I love when they actually do prints versus some kind of movie still or movie graphic. I like these a lot more because they're like fun to display. Honeydukes Chocolate Frogs. Free Wizards and Witches card inside. Collect them all. That's super cute. Love that. Alright, so let's take a look at the pamphlets and see all of the items that we got. So you got the House Books pin. I really, really like that one. That might be one of my favorite pins that I've ever seen in unboxings or that I've ever gotten myself. The high socks, the 2 cookbook recipes, the Harry Potter house bracelets. There's different ones there for the different houses. Oh, and then you got an exclusive Potter 4-print set. Oh, so I don't know if we each just get one of these or if we actually have all 4 in there. It's because, you know what, to be honest with you, I really love the advanced potion making. If I could choose which one I could have, I think I would want that one. Because you can also get the Quidditch World Cup, the Chocolate Frog, Skiving Snack Box from Weasley Wizards Wheezes, or the potions making. Oh, those are really cool. I mean, personally, I love this one, don't get me wrong, but I would love to have the advanced potion making. I haven't been taking these prints out. I've kind of just been keeping them in the wrapping because I want to keep them in good condition for now, but I might have to unwrap these and see if you actually get, I think it actually looks like you get all 4. Then you've got the 2 wearable t-shirts. You've got the exclusive Magic and Spells t-shirt. Still is probably not my favorite. And then the 3 brothers. The next month's box hint, they had this competition I noticed on their Instagram for design a wand, and I guess whoever the winner is, there'll be some kind of design from them in the next box, so that's exciting. Okay, that is it from the August GeekGear Wizardry box. As far as favorites go, I think mine's going to have to probably be the pin or the prints, assuming that you get all 4 of them, and I'm starting to think that you do. It looks like there might be more than one in here, so I think these 2 are probably my favorite. But which one was yours? Comment down below and let me know. I'd love to know. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to hear from you down in the comments. I would love to get to know some of my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to click that subscribe button below and click the notification bell so that you actually get alerts on future videos from me. And again, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'd really appreciate it. It supports my channel. And yeah, I will see you guys again next time. I should have I think the special edition from GeekGear for August should be coming soon as well. I'm pretty sure, unless I've gotten that mixed up. But in any case, I will have some more unboxings coming your way. I'm not sure, unfortunately, for how much longer I'm going to be able to do this subscription box. It is pricey, and it's something that I choose to spend my money on, but it's not necessarily something that I can regularly afford. I do think I will be doing these unboxings through the end of the year, but then beyond that, depending on my financial situation, I may have to stop, so, which will be unfortunate because I've really come to look forward to these every month. It's so much fun, and just gets me all excited because I just love Harry Potter and I can't get enough of Harry Potter, but we'll see what happens. But in any case, I will see you guys soon with another unboxing video, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Bye!